welcome to RPG Maker News. I'm your host, Salik, and in today's news we have a character art of a blonde girl by Samu Bibi, elemental scale icons by Admiran, a music pack of 11 retro electronic tracks by David KBD. Next we have a couple of new plugins for MZ, a plugin by Noon that displays enemy names over their battlers, a plugin by Toria Kontan that visualizes the cast time with a gauge, another plugin by Toria Kontan for active time battles that activates skills without wait if no cast time is set for them, and a plugin by Tombeshima that adds a shadow under player and followers. Next we have some dark abstract backgrounds by Robuxo, a sprite of a giant turtle, and another huge sprite of an Elmo weapon, both by Tovariki Fubuki. Raven Fantasy Green Tile Set by Clockwork Raven, and lastly a video tutorial by The Audi on inventing a stamina bar in MZ. That is all for today. Go back to designing MV-chan and MZ-chan.